Hello, hello, it's Angela with Dogwood Paper Arts. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my mass mess. So, I have been purging this room for quite some time now and trying to get a hold of of my chaos. So, the chaos this week has been going through all my stamps and dies and organizing them into those little boxes there and into the albums over there. And you can see this is kind of where I'm at. All my stamps and dies that I haven't organized yet. I do have a nice organized shelf over there. I love it. My poor workbench is full, but that workbench was totally full of stamps and dies. And I had them totally unorganized, couldn't get to anything, couldn't figure out where any of them were. So slowly that's getting cleaned off, and my dies with stamps are going up there, all nice and marked. And they'll all also have the books. And then using one of Tammy's ideas, these are the dies that are too big to go into any boxes. So they're in these envelopes, and then I marked them with what dies are in them. And this is an idea from Tammy Van Antwerp. She did this with a lot of her things. So I am utilizing that wonderful idea and organizing that way. But that's all the boxes I have left, so I'm placing an order for more. There's all the dump out of Christmas, and then of course that box up there is packed full of Christmas. And so just kind of wanted to catch up on what I'm doing and why I haven't had a video out this week. That is my craft cabinet. There's my Libby. Hey, Libby. Hi, baby girl. How you doing? You're not doing? Okay. So, there's a lot of stuff that's getting purged out. Not my machine over there. No, you stay out of that sack. Hey. All of that stuff on that cabinet there, on the desk part, is all new stuff that has to get inventory before it goes into this shelving system over here. Normally I don't have this table here. It's here to help me organize. But yeah. So anyway, this is what I'm up to. Actually having quite a bit of fun. And I'm excited about my organizing. And Robin, you asked me what I store my little ephemera bits in. I store them in those makeup boxes. But those are smaller. I thought I bought the same size, but look, I didn't. So anyway, that is what I store most of my ephemera pieces in. So they're all kind of organized there. But I need to label yet. And that's all my journals back there that I don't have up for sale yet. And there's a bunch back in there too. So anyway, that is where I'm at right now. And each of those is full of different things. And it'll all be marked, and when I get done here, if I ever get done, I will definitely show you this room as a nice haven. I've purged a bunch of stuff in these cabinets here. And I went through and purged, I don't know, probably 50 books. And so those went to they're going back to resale book place. So anyway, it's coming along. There's some room on my shelves, and I'm still getting organized. It's taken me a long time. I guess age is oh, age. It's what ages us. But yeah. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a clue of what I'm up to, and let you say hi to Miss Libby. Oh, yeah, it's a good lay down. Yes, I don't blame you. So anyway, I'll bring you along as I go here. I'm just looking forward to getting this part done. Oh, I didn't show you the stamps. Down under here. That's the only thing about this cabinet. It's that flop out desktop there. It gets in the way of everything that's underneath, but down underneath there are those drawers, and all the drawers have stamps and dies in them, or stamps. And there's more right there. And those other extra boxes will go in there. And that's where I'll have to store my stamps for now. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting done. I've been working long days trying to get somewhere. But you can see I have new stuff to share eventually. And my jars that I'm going to decoupage, I'm going to turn them into soap dispensers. So anyway, that's where I'm at for now, and I hope you'll come along with me as I make little video clips of the chaos. See you all later. Thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.